So here I'm gonna show you guys on how I did this jumbo box braids. It's a pretty simple style. It only lasts me for 1 week, so as you can see, it's not gonna be extremely neat, but watch the steps on how I did it. So as you can see, I've already prepped my hair. It's already washed, combed, detangled, and I've already oiled my scalp. So you can see the way I already part my hair. So I use the band method because it's easy and it also helps your hair to grow. But yeah, you can see on how I actually braid this style. I'm also gonna show you what tools you are gonna need for you to do this style. So keep watching.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business, not because they want to
use jam if you don't have this kind of edge control, and you will also need your hair scissors and your comb. And for the braiding hair, I use this kind. It does come in 3 in a pack, so it's pretty good. And of course, you have to do your edge control first before you start braiding your hair. And I'm using just one bundle of the braiding hair. I just separate it into 2, so it's like 1 bundle give me 2 braids. So as you can see, you have to part your hair in 3, and then you're gonna just split the braiding hair in 3 also, and just match it to each string of hair. And you can see I'm going to use my right finger, go over my left hand finger, and just keep doing that to do your braids. So you're going to keep braiding all the way you get to like a stopping point for you to flip it over and just keep braiding keep braiding straight. So I did at least like 3 times before I went ahead and flip it over. So now I'm just gonna continue braiding it all the way you get to the end, and this hair is already pre-stretched, so it's easy. So here's how it look. It is not tight, so you just pretty much do a simple braid, right? And I'm gonna do the same thing over here on this braid again. Just repeat the same process all the way. So as you can see, the same technique where my right finger is gonna go over my left hand finger, and just to continue doing the braid just like that. And again, just keep braiding all the way down until you get to the bottom. Just like that, just keep braiding all the way till you get to the end. So this is how it looks so far, and I'm going to just keep doing the exact same method. I am going to split it up a little bit, but just keep following. So here's the finished product. So please subscribe and like this video, and follow me on social media, Henricka Beauty. You can do multiple different styles with this braid. You can do a bun, you can do anything you like. It's pretty simple, and it only takes 1 hour to do. So I hope you like watching this video. See you next time for the next video. Bye bye.